Hello, and welcome to this guided meditation to release negative energy and worries. Get into a comfortable position, sitting or laying down. Close your eyes if you haven't already, and let your body come into a state of relaxation. Consciously relax your muscles. Take 3 deep breaths. With each inhale, bring light and peace. And with each exhale, let all the tension leave your body. Return your breath to a natural rhythm and slow down your mind. As you settle into this state of relaxation, picture yourself standing in front of a waterfall located deep in the jungle. You can hear the sound of the waterfall cascading into the lake below. This sound is so relaxing. It is putting your body at ease. It is a warm, sunny day, and you can see a golden sunlight beam penetrating through the trees of the forest. The humidity of the tropical heat causes sweat to form on the top of your forehead. As you slowly start to walk towards the waterfall's stream, you can feel the waterfall spray on your skin. You can feel the grass tickling the bottom of your feet. You hear birds singing sweet melodies. The closer you get to the waterfall, the more your body seems to relax. Reach your hand into the cool stream. Notice how blissful the water feels against your skin. The waterfall calls you in. Go ahead, step beneath the water's flow. Feel how the water soaks your skin and washing all the stress out of your body and mind. Let the water clear you of any negative energy. Notice how a crisp clarity is replacing your worries as you surrender to the healing benefits of the waterfall. Feel the last bits of tension wash free from your body. Now, step out of the waterfall and feel the warm sunshine drench your skin. The sunlight reminds you that you are allowed to let joy spontaneously fill your body. Look around you. See the various beautiful shades of green. The lake's crystal clear water and the golden sunlight all over. Take a few moments to rest here in this nice peace. Begin to deepen your breath and bring your focus back to the room that you're in. Bring some gentle movement into your fingers and your toes. And then slowly open your eyes. Continue with your day slowly and mindfully as you allow yourself to remain in a state of peace. If you've enjoyed this guided meditation, subscribe to our channel and download the Enhanced app for exclusive guided meditations, visualizations, and more. Find the download link in the description below. Make sure to leave a like and comment. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and supports the channel. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you at the next session.